the growing concern of the public regarding illegal immigration. However, his approach was this thing should be tackled using structured processes. Ukhuluma ngendaba ukuthi kube khona izinkantolo ezoqhubeka ngqo nabantu abafohlayo njalo njalo into enjengalezo. What do you think nge-approach ya-president? You think ukuthi izokwazi ukuthola isisombululo?
Look, I think I'm very disappointed with President Ngoba. If you're going to solve a problem, Felix, you go and you find out what the problem is.
Sure.
You find out the extent of the problem. You find out what is reasonable within the means to make it solvable, right? And from the speech, I can tell you, of every corner, of every office, I've gone there. I know what the challenges are, and I can tell you that he's not going to be able to solve it in the approach that he's given. He's talking about technology, technology. He didn't go into detail with what technology. Currently at the BMA, they've got 2 drones. I know there was another one that they had borrowed that didn't belong to them. There's a lot of problems at the BMA. So we don't have that technology that he's talking about. Second to that, he was talking about increasing going around and making sure that people are documented, which is currently impossible because they don't have enough immigration officers to do that. There's only 800 immigration officers in the entire country. 800. Here in KZN, there's only 7 for the entire province. That's one of the problems. You cannot have 800 immigration officers and then say you'll have 10,000 labor inspectors. These 10,000 labor inspectors that you're increasing with, who are they going to be working with? But now here's my thing. If the president wanted to solve the problem, there's 2 issues here. There's the issue of the border, which is not secure. Currently, our border is only functional at 25%, leaving us 75% open to anyone.
Yes.
Oh, you don't want to know when it comes to the army. The army, SANDF, doesn't have jurisdiction to work at the border. So they just stand there basically and just make sure that they're patrolling. So basically, they're patrollers, right? And this was under an operation that they had, I think, during COVID. So they're not really deployed there. It's just an operation that was done to have them go to the border. So like I'm saying, 75% of the country is open. At the sea, we have 1 scanner machine, which means everything that's coming into the country only has 1 scanner. So we don't know what else is coming. If there's 4,000 things coming in at the same time, a container, we can only use 1 scanner to scan all of them. The problems are many. The problems are many. I can go on. But currently, what he said is impractical.
And again, there's another flaw according to the Constitution, which in our own law, we don't give jurisdiction to the army to control and be able to apprehend. And in fact, whereas in all other countries, you see which is a shared responsibility. And we kind of youth unemployment. America banning ICE.
Yes.
They've got ICE.
There you go. You take care of that.
You're talking about the SANDF that doesn't have petrol in their vans right now. That SANDF.
With the headlines, the Public Servants Association says migration discussions must not result in the stigmatization of foreign nationals or the erosion of constitutional and human rights protections. Gandhi, the Department of Higher Education and Training, says government wants to see skills transfer and acquisition happening in areas that are often considered peripheral to the agenda of skills revolution. Utolan Kumaloge will bring you more on these and other stories at 9 o'clock.
A very good morning, KZN. Gamo and News. A final look at your sports on the Gaga CFM breakfast. Sokalange Bola Banyana just kicked off their second international friendly against Japan in Osaka. Now, Coach Desiree Ellis Wenzenji changes ambalwa to its team edlale friendly over the weekend and lost by 5-0. Strikeout Tembi Khatla now sengene with starting lineup Salom Dlalo after starting earlier game yange weekend on the bench. Kanige olunye ushintsho lapha kwi goalkeeping department with Ukelen Swart coming in for Andile Dlamini. Spooling up with tennis, 23-time Grand Slam champion Serena Williams is set to make her return to professional tennis namhlanje emva kweminyaka ewu-4 away from the sport. So Serena has been handed a wild card to play doubles tennis lapha at Queen's Club. Williams uzodlala alongside Canadian teenager Victoria Mboko ku round of 16 against Erin Routliffe no Nicole Martinez. Serena uthi she will not put herself under any pressure ngoba she has nothing to prove with tennis.
I need to win. I've won more than most people have in their whole lives. So
There's no
for
such
me,
thing.
it's,
There's I don't need to win. Why are you competing? Why are you competing? Oh, then stood at home. Oh, please. I don't need to win. Who still supports Ronaldo in this day and age? We're so over the Ronaldo era. But at least he won a league after 4 years. Oh, God. Please. I would cry tears.
Somalian referee Omar Artan has been dropped from officiating kwindebe yomhlaba by iFIFA njengoba esenqatshelwe ivisa eyongena eAmerica. Lokuza ke as a growing number of people have reportedly been denied entry to eMelika for World Cup. Okubala kubo ke officials ase-Iran as well as some traveling fans from different countries. Now Omar Artan is one of the best referees abakhona la eAfrica. Kanti ke iFIFA sikhiphe a statement to confirm ukuthi ayinawo amandla okuvimba iMelika from denying people entry into the country for a World Cup, which is why they took isinqumo sokuthi ke bamdrope kwi-list yorefi abakhona ke kwi-FIFA World Cup. Hlophe before ngivale la ngimkhonze kakhulu uJacinta kodwa nje yini into esixabanisayo yabona lapha ebholeni
Messi.
zoqala iWorld Cup lento ka Messi no Ronaldo yasixabanisa.
uRonaldo fanele ahambe usehleli manje ukhulisa izingane mesa imilenze emdala. You can't be in your 40s and still trying to be fighting for titles.
Wait,
honestly.
let me tell you history. Cameroon, the Intermediate Alliance of Africa, in the semi-final against England, it was Roger Milla, who was 42 at the time, that scored the goal that
Nakia.
eliminated England.
Nakia
42 years of age.
I'm sure he wasn't a tap-in.
It's 8:34 Mangala nje laphana eChesterville lapha ku Harry Gwala Road near Jabula Avenue kunezimoto esezithinteni lapho. Please approach this vicinity with caution as the left lane is closed, so do give yourself an extra 10 to 15 minutes of travel time. Alternatively, you can use the M10 by Bel Air Road. And moving along to the Crompton Street at Pine Town, nakhona sekube nengozi ebandakanya isithuthu. Wenze nje isiqiniseko sokuthi ushayela ngokucophelela mawususondela ngalapho. Give yourself an extra 10 to 15 minutes of travel time as that scene is still active. Mawukuthi ujahile usungahamba ke ngo M13. And just a quick reminder, some might be stuck in bumper to bumper traffic. Watch out for impatient drivers and please look out for pedestrians who might be trying to navigate through the gridlock. Angibambelana okwamanje ngizobuyela neni update just after sports headlines at 9 makukuthi khona ngikushiyayo. Please do share on our WhatsApp line. It's 060-549-1997. I'm Silindile Ngobese, Gaga CFM Traffic as and when it happens.
It's a Ngobese thing.
Gaga CFM in the morning. This is Gaga CFM Breakfast. When we return on the other side, more of the leader of Much and Much, Mrs. Jacinta Ngobese Zuma.
Messi. Until I'm Messi before. Used to be Messi before. Hi guys. How are you? It's Facebook. Facebook. Oh my gosh. Hi guys. Hi.
And I'm putting Gogi book. But I don't have eye problems. Are these eye problem
You said that I'm a reality show, guys. I'm so amazing. So become a camera.
toxic?
No more you need a reality show. No more. Unini ngifuna kuleta ama reality show. You know where the danger is. Abantu uncontrollable.
Because the storyline will never be in your favor.
Now, through no choice of your own, the universe is now
Directing, yeah.
politics.
No, I'm not going away.
Is it?
Bengithi mina ngicela ungitholela
No.
umuntu ose-UK
I'm tired,
voting
Fitz.
teams.
What do you mean?
Kwamanje ngikhathele yabo nje ade ngifisa ukuthi lento engathi ngasheshe ilungiseke so I can go back to just being my normal self.
No, but hey, I was saying,
Because I've always loved activism. It's not just about this thing, I just
but it's a big one. And honestly, but it's always a sub.
I read.
I'm Mozambican.
no akubona about bahlangene ama-Nigerian, ama-Somalian, ama-Ethiopian, ama-Pakistan, ama-Bangladesh bahlangene kanje.
I think my biggest shock was
Bahlangene
the, was the
and you know
Somalians.
what the worst part is?
Aha.
So kuma the takeover yetolo is strategic. Thina satshelwa kanje kumasipala eTheku ukuthi ningacabanga ukuthi it's by coincidence. Abamnikeza omunye umuntu.
Yes, sis.
Ilase abamnikezi.
But you know what? Even
Phela
Emakhaya,
ngisibone labangala.
so you know what is really effed up about what they're doing. So Emakhaya ngasekhaya, what they're doing, they're literally even assassinating.
Yabona
but they're not
umuntu uhlale
politicians.
threatenishwa kanje buku Thomas. Her days are numbered. Watch this. Amakwarokoro ke hlezi
Hayi bo, ma, eh.
ngivele ngizibuza ukuthi ungaswala ezweni lakho uzothreatenisha abantu.
Ngoba
ezweni
ungafuni
lakho,
ugoduka.
just because afuna ukuya kini.
So ngasekhaya they are killing off abantu abangamaspaza abangafuni ukubadayisela
Hey,
iy'tolo
no, that's a
zabo.
long thing. It's a
For me,
sponsor
I
shop
was
mafia.
like, what the?
It's a sponsor shop mafia. It's a normal thing. Kade baqala ukuyenza. Kade.
So this has been normal.
Yes, this has been normal and people have been scared to talk about it because maybe khuluma about it. But thina sake sakamashu. Siyolikhipha ngenkani abafuni manje uphuma emzini yabantu. Mawuphuma
Hayibo.
sebethenga labantu lama security company lawa akuthiwa ama security company
Yes.
ukuthi abagade. Angithi bagadiwe mabesho. Lama security company terrorizer noma yini ke that's in their path.
Are they South African? Are these South
No, of
African
course
companies?
they're South African. Of
So,
course they're South African.
we are
So
our
what the
enemies.
security companies but bayasebenza bona mabesho. Securing, providing security for them.
Yes. And it's
Terrorizing
strategic.
anyone who wants, yes.
Getting our
They
people.
don't
Yeah,
care.
I'm going to do the disclaimer and then you pick up.
Sharp.
Yes.
Fella said, how Wemma? Where's the audio?
Go again. Say.
The audio.
Oh,
That's insane. Audio.
Kazi audio yanikele nifuna ungistressa ngayo.
Where?
It's in the old.
Is doing it now?
No.
Hey, go on.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
What are you guys gonna do?
Already.
I wonder.
Go again.
Yeah, let's go.
Skaga CFM in the morning, Asisha Sonke screams Black Junior, Donkey Boy, and Gold Max, leading us safely at 8:40 on a Tuesday, the 9th of June 2026. Today will forever go down as the day the Gaga CFM breakfast hosted Jacinta and Gomez Zuma, the leader of March and March. Also, it's very important to make this announcement that the views expressed on the show are not of Gaga CFM, but those of the leader.
Oh gosh. Okay, so there are a couple of questions that we